Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start out this video by walking around in my throw blanket, guys. This day was just super cold, and this is what I do when it's cold inside the house. I walk around with my throw blanket on, and it was actually so cold that I actually had to turn on the heater to warm up the house a little bit more, just for me to get started and start, doing my little spring cleaning in the living room area. So that's what I did. So I got rid of my throw blanket. So now I'm just gonna start dusting down the TV console, and I'm just gonna take out these stems out of these vases. If you guys are wondering where I got these vases from, they're the mother of pearl vases from Pier 1s. And if you guys watch my previous home decor video for Christmas, you know that I got these blue pinecone stems from Michael's, and the golden glitter stems with the jewels, I got those from Pier 1s as well. So I'm just gonna take these out because I'm tired of seeing the blue, and put something nice and bright and cheery for spring in there. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So it's been a while since I dust down the TV and the TV console. This is one area that I know for sure that catches a lot of dust. Like if you leave it over time, it picks up a lot of dust, especially by the cable boxes and the wires and everything behind here. So I'm just gonna dust everything down, and then I'm gonna take my cedar wood and sage spray that I got from Trader Joe's and just wipe down the TV and the console and everything like that. And if anybody's wondering, I got the TV console from IKEA. It's one of those hyper white kind of consoles with the glass top. And I wish that I could have moved it myself, guys, but this thing is super heavy. So I'm not gonna be able to move it to like vacuum underneath of it or go behind of it because it's super heavy to move and I can't move it by myself. So I'm just gonna go in the cupboards and everything in here and just wipe down everything. Remove all the dust from on the pictures. It wasn't that bad dusty because I did clean it like in my last decor video during Christmas, so it wasn't too bad. So here is a fun part, guys. I'm gonna get a new duster and attach to my super duster, And this is an extendable duster, guys. I got it from Lowe's, I think. And I'm just gonna dust off this ceiling fan. We don't use the ceiling fan as much, so it didn't collect as much dust as it would if we were using it regularly. And usually I would get some water with some pine sol or fabuloso and wipe down the ceiling fan, but this one didn't have as much dust. Next, I'm just gonna go and dust down the AC vents. Now guys, be very careful if you have high ceilings about going up onto furniture or anything like bar stools or chairs to try and reach your AC vents. Don't be like me, guys. Do not be like me. Go and get that ladder, okay? So I did find that the vents were a bit dusty, but what was shocking was that in front of the vent where the AC blows had dust on the roof, like right in front there. Had a good amount of dust there. So yes, I went ahead and got my ladder out of the garage, guys, to play it a little more safe, because I know these here, there's no way I can stand up on the TV console to reach up there. So I got my ladder and I'm gonna push it up against the wall and, you know, go the safe route to complete my dusting of my AC vents. Next, I'm just gonna dust off the chandelier in the foyer. I have been looking into other chandeliers, so changing this one out to a more glam chandelier. So I have been looking like on Wayfair and in Lowe's for a different chandelier to change that one out, and a few others around my home. And I haven't found one exactly that I love yet, but I'm soon gonna get there and I'm gonna get it and change it. So I'm gonna also dust up here. I haven't been up here since we bought the house, and this is my first time dusting up here, so I'm just gonna dust it down and then wipe off the glass with my cleaner from Trader Joe's. Next, I'm just gonna take off all the cushions out of the couches, and I'm just gonna vacuum underneath there. So we had this couch for about a year and I never vacuumed underneath here, so this is the first time. You know, it is spring cleaning, hey. So I'm just gonna take my vacuum. I took this piece here, the more slender piece, to try and do it. It wasn't picking up enough dirt for me, so I switched it out to the brush head, and this works wonders. This is my first time ever using a brush head on my vacuum, and I love it for this. And I'm also gonna vacuum the cushions that I took out of the chair, because I haven't vacuumed them or anything since we got the chair, and I'm gonna turn them over on the other side so they don't be worn down, because we're sitting on the one side all the time. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. So with all this cleaning, I definitely had to turn on my little essential oils diffuser, because this dust was just getting to my sinuses and I started to sneeze, and I was trying to prevent all of that from happening. So I just turned on the diffuser so I could smell it and intake it, and that way my sinus don't start acting up, because once I start sneezing, that is it. I sneeze for hours until I take like a Zyrtex or I take Flonase or something like that. So if you guys have sinus or allergies, be careful when you dust in for spring, because this is the time it likes to turn up. So now that I'm finished vacuuming the sofa, I'm just gonna fluff it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna move it back so I could vacuum underneath of it and also clean the baseboards behind the sofa. So I'm just gonna push this one back that way, and I'm gonna push the other one the other way. So now I'm just gonna vacuum my living room rug. And this rug is fairly new, guys. I actually had to replace it because one day back in September we left Tank home alone and we went to work. It was his first time leaving him out alone. And we figured because during the hurricane in September we didn't have any current and it was super hot. We didn't have current for like a whole week. So we used to sleep in the dining area right there underneath the window, and he would be out sleeping with us. And we figured, well, wow, he could be out the house and don't mess up or anything like that. So the Monday when I went back to work, we decided to leave him out, and like that was the worst thing ever. He did mess up in front of the glass door, and when I got home, the side right there, the edge, he ripped from one corner, from a corner by the TV all the way up. He ripped up the rug. So we had to replace it, and it cost about $200 to replace that section right there. And thankfully Lowe's had the same rug, so this is new carpet that we have in here. So now I'm just gonna clean the baseboards. I picked up this magic eraser from Walmart to clean the shower, and I decided to use it here in the baseboards. Okay, so like I buy this, the magic eraser, because I saw another YouTuber recommend it for cleaning the showers. So I never use it until now, but I still want to use it to clean the shower with the soap scum and stuff. But I use it to clean the baseboards, and the whole thing like just fall apart. Like, really? Is this supposed to happen? I did wet it. I don't know if I wet it too much, but like, really? Like, I mean, you do a good job, because they had some stains like on the wall and stuff, and I did take them out, but the whole thing fell apart. Let me know if I do something wrong, guys. Comment down below if I do something wrong, or if this is just a cheap product, or if it works for you. Let me know how you use it. So now that I'm finished vacuuming, I'm just gonna push the couches back onto the rug. This space is a fairly large space, but I have a sectional and I can't really put it in any other direction other than right here. I was thinking of putting it back there on the tile in front of the glass door, but I'll have to raise up the chandelier there, and I have to do a little more rearranging there because I don't have an outlet for the TV there either. So right here is where the couch has to be for right now until I figure something else out. I'm getting ready to buy a coffee table or ottoman. I haven't decided as yet what I want to put there in a little space, but definitely getting ready to buy something to put there to finish off the living room space so it could be complete and I can move on to another area of the house of decoring it. So it's been about a year and some months since we bought the house, guys, and I try to take my time to get it the way that I like it, and just one step at a time. And I like nice things, so liking nice things that cost a lot of money, I have to go one room at a time. Like my major room was the office, and I got the desk in there, and I was happy to get that, but I kind of want to move on to doing more stuff inside of the house. So I'm saving up and I'm window shopping right now. So that's what I like to do. I like to prepare before I actually go and buy anything. So I found these throw pillows at home. My original thought was to do all yellow, but when I went in there, I saw those green with gold and silver pillows. I fell in love with them and I bought those, and then I bought the two little yellow ones to go as accent colors with them. So right here, right now, I'm just gonna put back my original stems, my gold with, these are the glittered stems with the jewels on them. I'm gonna put them back. And then I got these yellow flowers from Michael's. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Because I wanted to do yellow in the living room and a little yellow in the kitchen because it's spring and it brightens up, and it goes well with my coral in the back in the office, and I think it's so pretty. I love these little yellow flowers. I think it came out really nice. So to add some yellow into the kitchen, I'm just gonna take, I got these faux floors from the Dollar Tree, so $1 for each. And if you guys remember from my previous video during Christmas, I did that red vase. I did that vase with a faux snow. I'm gonna keep the faux snow in there because I like how it looks. And I'm just gonna change out the flowers to these spring colors. They are so pretty. Dollar Tree has a lot of pretty faux flowers in there, and when I saw these, I was like, oh my god, so pretty. So I'm just gonna put these up on my countertop in the kitchen to add a little pop of the yellow in there. And I also got some dish towels from Dollar Tree as well to go on the stove. So my last thing I'm gonna do is just sweep out the foyer and then just go and mop it with my what's that thing called? My Bona Mop. I'm just gonna mop it up with my Bona Mop, and that's about it for my spring cleaning in the living room section now. I gotta move on to other sections of the house to finish up my spring cleaning. I think I'm gonna do other videos, but I'm not sure as yet because this is a lot of work to spring clean. Like, oh my god. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know how your spring cleaning is going, and if you guys have any tips, leave them down below for others to see as well. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, so you don't miss any other videos from me. And don't forget to click the bell notification as well so you'll be notified every time I do an upload. So you guys take care, stay blessed, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye.